Now we're on to number 1. You know what? Choose your own adventure. Don't let anybody push goals down your throat if they're not right for you. Just really trust yourself because you know what's best for you. And nobody knows where the market is headed, friends. Elon Musk doesn't know. The YouTube guy doesn't know. The Reddit people don't know. Nobody really knows. They're just making educated guesses. So, like I said, confidence is key, and it's always good to do a little research and read the headlines of the business news feeds or the different news channels. I like to look at different news sources because some of them have a different take on different things. So in Canada, I like looking at the National Post and I like looking at the Globe and Mail because they have different perspectives. One's more conservative than the other. So I can see what the takes are on the different platforms of where the investments are going. And there's a lot of clues in those newspapers about things going on and trends that are happening. So pay attention to them, just observe or just take it in and think about it and have an open mind about it. And also keep it real. This is my final thing. You know what? Maybe it's worth it to pay the 2% fee or up to $20,000 a year for somebody to manage your money if you have no passion for it. But if you do have a passion for it and you want to save money, you can do this yourself. I know you can. You can with a step-by-step approach, and that's what I'm trying to build here with FINLITI, is a how-to approach of how do I make my own money.